Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty, and we're here at the highly desirable Alvord Place condominiums. These units sure move quickly thanks to the welcoming community here, as well as very low condo fees. We've got some great bonus features here as well. Thanks to the corner lot, we've got a grassy area, very hard to find here at the complex. And off to my right here, we've got a screened-in porch on a deck that's got some nice privacy thanks to the shrubbery. One-car garage as well. Inside, awesome features. We've got a cathedral ceiling, first floor washer and dryer. We've got a partially finished basement. Can't wait to show it all. Come on, let's go check it out. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 22 Alvord Place in beautiful South Hadley, Massachusetts. If you have any additional questions about the property or know anyone else that's looking to get into this great community, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.